And with FlexClip, you can make short commercials like this.
Celebrate the season with beautiful blooms. Get ready for the holidays with our special deals. Surprise your loved ones with festive arrangements. Spread joy and cheer with our holiday collection. Brighten up your home with our seasonal flowers.
So if you wanted to with FlexClip, you could edit videos from weddings. And with FlexClip, you could go ahead and make a marketing presentation with the hundreds of clips that they have. They're very nice. And so when the holidays roll around, if you want something for Christmas, just type in Christmas in the search box and you get things like this. Or you can go ahead and type in Halloween and get something like this. Or type in 4th of July and get something like this. It all depends what you want. You can experiment with the intro like this. Oh, yeah, where do you think we're going, Billy? What are we doing underneath this water? No, I don't know, Bob, but that fish just driving me nuts. It's driving me nuts. Yeah, I think it's funny. Or you can go, hi, we're three amigos, and we want to sing a little song for you. Three amigos, we are the three amigos. So there you go, guys. I demonstrated 3 different ways that you could use FlexClip. Really, there's like a million different ways. It's up to you how you want to use it. I encourage you to just go for it and get in there and start feeling around, and you'll find something that fits for you. There's so many things that you can do with FlexClip. FlexClip, they did not pay me for this right here. Long time ago, when I first started, in 28 days, they gave me a sponsorship for one video. One video, they gave me a whole year subscription to use their platform. I knew absolutely nothing about their platform. I couldn't do nothing, and today I do some really great stuff with it. But yeah, they didn't pay me to do this. I paid them off a long time ago just by doing that one video for them, and they gave me this subscription. So hey, reach out to them. Maybe they'll help hook you up. I can't tell you, but just letting you know that yeah, it's like anything else, But I say from a 1 to 10, it's like maybe like a 6 on difficulty using this program. Um, the possibilities, I mean, they're endless. Yeah, and so there's all different kinds of ways you can use FlexClip, and reach out and let me know if you need some help. I'll give you some pointers. I'm still not a professional, but I tell you what, I can do some pretty cool things. I really like the intros and the outros that you can do. It's a really good way to get your logo going on, get people to see it and everything. And I wish you the best of luck. Um, you know, I'm Mario Money, the speaker. Uh, yeah, reach out, guys. And thanks a lot. It was fun.